I'm using firewood and the 3 stones, so it is going to be a bit faster. It is going to take me around 30 minutes and my food will be ready. What do you call them? Lemon leaves. They're from the lemon plant. I have here with me lemonade grass. It has to boil first before you place them in so that you can retain the flavor to prevent it from overcooking. I have here the tea leaves. Hello, good people. A very good morning to you from this part of the world, to be precise, Kenya, East Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tende_Marwa. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always finding time. Come watch me. I don't take it for granted. And those who are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. My good people, always comment, like, and even share. And if you have been watching me without subscribing, kindly subscribe. My good people, it is around 11 here, 11 a.m. and we are just back from the farm. We thank God for the rains because it has started raining, yeah, here in the village. And we are weeding. We are on with our weeding of the farm produce. Today I want to prepare or cook cassava for lunch. That is cassava and lemonade tea for lunch. The weather is a bit gloomy. It isn't hot, it isn't sunny. The temperature is just gloomy, as you can see from the video. So we just want to take, because I felt like, let's cook cassava for lunch. We just boil it and take with the lemonade tea. Yeah, made from the lemon. This is my outfit for the day. Rate my outfit for the day. Yeah, that's my outfit for the day. So good people, let's get to work. Keep on watching, comment, like, and even share. These are my cassavas here, good people. Some are over there, and these are the parts that I'm going to use to prepare. Here we are, good people. We need to light the fire, then boil our cassava. How we do it? I'm cooking from outdoor. So good people, our fire is finally lit. I need to place my pot here so that it can boil. I will let it boil for like 30 minutes, then I can as well put some ingredients or just take it the way it is. Yeah. Good people, keep on watching, comment, like, and share. As you can see, I'm cooking from outside using the 3 stones, and the wind is so up. It is blowing. That's why you can see the smoke. I'm using firewood and the 3 stones, so it is going to be a bit faster. It is going to take me around 30 minutes, and my food will be ready. So yeah, I'm going to prepare black tea, that's lemonade tea made from lemongrass, and also lemon leaves plus ginger, then and tea leaves. Then you can use it to take the cassava. Keep on watching, comment, like, and share. See you once my cassava is ready so that we can serve and eat together. Meanwhile, bear with me with the camera angles. My stand started cornering, so I had to improvise a stand, and no one is here to hold the camera for me. So keep on watching, good people. I think I sat on the wrong side because of the sunlight. That's why the smoke is too much. Good people, keep on watching, comment, like, and share. We are here with my niece. Fanya hivi. She's just from school and she's feeling hungry. She came to ask me whether the food is ready, and I'm here. We need to wait for it to be ready. It's like 30 minutes. It shall be done. Luckily, they aren't going back to school. Shina, si ndio, si amrudi shuleni au mnarudi shuleni? Kwa nini leo amrudi shuleni? So good people, she's my niece. She's called Dasha. She came to look for something to eat. They're just from school right now. It is 12 noon. Keep on watching, comment, like, and share. I will be back here once the food is ready so that we can serve together. As you can see from here, still cooking. We are cooking using the pot. And we are cooking from outside. Leta kunipi. Good people, I think my cassava is ready. I just want to boil it. As you can see from here, the cassava is ready. Yeah. Cassava is ready. Our cassava is ready, good people. I need to remove it from the fire. Take it from the fire, then cook our black tea or our lemon tea, so that we can use it. You see how they are just took 20 minutes. So good people, you have to bring the water to boil. The water has now boiled. I need to place the, what do you call them, lemon leaves. They're from the lemon plant. I have here with me lemonade grass. It has to boil fast before you place them in, so that you can retain the flavor to prevent it from overcooking. I have here the tea leaves. It has a mixture of ginger in it. There is a powder ginger that is in form of powder mixed up with the tea leaves. You see how quick and faster it is, huh? Now I need to bring it to boil completely, and I need to add some sugar so that it can boil. I have my sugar here. This is tea leaves inside here with a mixture of ginger. Here is the sugar. So I have to do it the local way. Don't worry, I won't put excess. Know how to let it boil. Now I give it for like, let me leave it for like 5 minutes so that it can simmer and to be ready so that I can serve.